everyone, thanks for tuning in. This week on AskDrAdam, we decided to do things a little differently. This past week, we invited over 40 children into our facilities to participate in our very first KYZEN Kids STEM Day. We gave the kids a tour of our facilities so they could see how cleaning chemistry was made and how industrial cleaning processes are carried out. We then got together and did a handful of fun science experiments with them. The kids got to make their own slime, and they got to make their own lava lamps. And we even saw fun demonstrations of screaming gummy bears, elephant toothpaste, and then we even made liquid nitrogen ice cream. This video is going to be a compilation of all of the footage we took from that event. I hope you enjoy it. This blue gummy bear inside there. You think it's going to melt? Anyone else have any guesses before I shove it in there? Red one? Well, it's going to melt. You ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Is that cool? Now, what do you think is going to happen when I add the potassium iodide? Yeah, you guys might want to do one really step back. Yeah? All right. Are you ready? Got the cameras out? 3. Wait, how high do you think it's going to go? Hey, Eric, if I hit the camera, is that okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Do not touch this. All right, so what? All right, if you like the experiments you saw in that video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to be notified of future content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, or you can send an email to AskDrAdam@KYZEN.com. Thanks again, and stay clean.